Good morning, everyone. Dwellin Byler here, PROTECH Roofing Solutions, looking at a roof in Erie, Pennsylvania. Beautiful morning to be alive. Hope everyone's having a good morning. Doing an inspection. We got a Ballasted EPDM roof section we're looking at here. You can see we have some cracking in the, or literally the rubber EPDM is pulling apart. It's got some age to it. Over here is another section that is a build-up tar and gravel roof. We got some age on this. There's a lot of temporary patching done, repairs. There's some blistering going on. Another thing I'd like to point out is it's often a stress point is the expansion joint between two roof sections. You can see there along here it's cracked. It's definitely water getting in there. So definitely needs some TLC, some work. We're going to provide some options. If anybody has any commercial roofing needs, commercial or industrial roofing needs, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. And everyone have a blessed day and a productive one. Take care.